and I have been promoting products from YouTube since 2017, 18, and YouTube is really powerful. But the problem sometimes with YouTube is that it takes time. It takes time to start getting this ball rolling. But it's a matter of time, guys. You just need to put in the work, create content, do these lives, and it's going to be a matter of time in which you are going to have more traction and send more traffic to your affiliate links. And so Jonathan Montoya lays off here how to, so he explains very good how to grow our YouTube channels. So the YouTube traffic ecosystem, the YouTube setup, and I have been doing this strategy, guys. For example, when I started my YouTube channel, I didn't know that it's important to do the keyword research. It's important to know that if the title that we are using in our YouTube videos is going to help our YouTube channels grow, because that is super important, because you can create like a video, you can do a live, you can create and upload all this content on your YouTube channel, and if you don't have if you don't optimize well your YouTube videos, and if you don't do this keyword research, it's going to be hard to grow your channel. So check this out. Run your video on number 1 in YouTube optimization template, the YouTube funnel algorithm explain. So this is really good stuff. And then we are going to go to phase number 2. So this is for people who don't want to show their face and create content on YouTube. They can create a website. Although this strategy is good, it takes more time, guys. It takes more time to start getting commissions with affiliate marketing, because so if you are going to choose, because from these two strategies, so it's faster doing YouTube videos than creating these articles and creating a website. Although you can do this strategy as well. So I think this depends on which strategy you want to which strategy you want to use. Then phase number 3, increase conversions. So this is once we have our main core product, our automated sales system. So Jonathan Montoya explains how we can increase conversions. Phase number 4, how to automate and scale, because the thing here is that in the future, so this is the goal, to hire a team. We just need create the content, and we need to hire a team, upload all this content in our social media. So we can do at the end, I think they have, so Jonathan Montoya has this vacation test in which we have this automated sales system that is working for us, and we just need create content, and our team is going to do all the hard work. And so basically, the guys, this is the affiliate marketing course that I bought. So this is a high ticket course. Right now the price is $1,997. Let me show you. Freedom Breakthrough 3 checkout page. And one important thing about affiliate marketing, guys, is that it takes time to start getting results. So check this out.